Hello, welcome back to our channel. Please, before the video continues, please make it a point to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you like our. Okay, so today's tutorial is based on how to connect your phone to your PC and use it as a remote PC. Okay, oh, simply put, today's tutorial is based on how to remotely control your PC with your phone, meaning you can use your phone as a mouse or you can use your phone as your PC. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna need one app from the Play Store or App Store if you're using iOS, which is called PC Remote. As you can see, I've already installed this app and then I have to open it. But before we move any further, you should know that you should also download this app on the PC. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section or description section, so make sure you check it out and download. So you have to get it on the phone and then get another app on the PC. So, and then the configuration is you have to turn on hotspots of your phone for your PC to connect. So they have to be on the same wireless network. Okay, so I've already connected my PC to my phone hotspot, so let me continue. So you open PC remote, and then it's saying connection lost. Don't bother. All you need to do is go to connect and press OK, and then press on the scanner. There will be a QR code generated on the PC screen if you open the PC remote application on the desktop, but then my camera isn't good enough to scan, so I'm just going to input the IP address instead. And as you can see from my PC, it says, yeah, it's already connected. Okay, let me show you the steps. It's saying my IP address is 192.168.43.67. Press connect, and then it has already connected. As you can see, as I tap the screen, it has started behaving as a mouse. The other key features are playing games, and I'm not going to force myself playing these games, but what we want to focus on is remote controlling your PC. Okay, so refresh. I'm doing all this on my phone, and then the key feature here is the remote desktop control, which means you can view your PC screen on your phone, use it just as you are going to use your PC, and that option comes in over here, remote desktop. So I'm gonna have to press on remote desktop and then wait for the magic to happen. As you can see here, I have my PC screen over here, so I'm going to use my PC. Please remember, this is the Android I'm holding, that's why I have these flags. You can switch to touch mode, turn off Bluetooth, attachment, open my files. Point here is you can do absolutely anything you want, and then I can't waste my time here, so I'm going back. You can adjust volume of your PC by just pressing your volume buttons, and you can switch off the PC by just pressing on these buttons. You can control your media volumes, your slides. You can use the keyboard mode. You can go for camera mode. Any of these modes is going to work in them. So that's absolutely it for now. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. There is more goodies on the way. Thanks.